Pfizer has asked the FDA for approval of a COVID vaccine for children under the age of 5. They are seeking emergency use authorization for this vaccine. And what's being reviewed by the FDA is a 2-dose vaccine for children ages 6 months up to age 5. And more research is being done on whether a 3rd dose would be better than the 2-dose regimen. There are over 19 million children under the age of 5 that fall into the category of those impacted by this new vaccine age group. And currently, they are the only age group not eligible for a vaccine. You may remember that a Pfizer vaccine has been approved for children age 5 and older, and Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines are available for those ages 18 and up. And of course, a booster shot is widely available for those ages 12 and older. Here's the timeline of approval for this new vaccine for children under the age of 5. The FDA's advisory group is scheduled to meet to discuss the request on February 15th. They'll vote on a recommendation at that time. If that goes well, then the FDA will decide whether to extend emergency use authorization to this new age group. It then goes over to the CDC, and the CDC's advisory panel will weigh in, and the final voice is that of the CDC director, Dr. Rochelle Walensky. She will determine whether the CDC will recommend the vaccine as government policy. If it is endorsed by the CDC at that stage, the shots will then become widely available to the public. And this whole timeline could move quite quickly, as it did with older children. It was about 4 weeks total to get from the FDA review up through the CDC approval. In a statement, the FDA Acting Commissioner Dr. Janet Woodcock said having a safe and effective vaccine available for children in this age group is a priority for the agency, and we're committed to a timely review of the data. In a separate statement made by the director of the FDA Center for Biologic Evaluation and Research, Dr. Peter Marks said, "The need for a safe and effective vaccine for our youngest children is significant, particularly given the rapid spread of the Omicron variant, the notable rise in the number of hospitalizations in young children with severe disease, and the possibility that future variants could cause severe disease in those who are unvaccinated." If you are looking for a vaccine or booster shot near you, vaccines.gov will help you find one. To read the FDA's press release on the vaccine request, including the sources of today's quotes, we link to that in the description below, along with more on that timeline from FDA review through CDC approval.